Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2,280th edition, and that's a lot of editions, of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening. It is Tuesday night. We are putting this video out for you for Tuesday night through Wednesday's trading. That is 6/30/2021. Traders, remember the risk involved in this game. Always put your stops in first. Not everybody wins, and losers can be enormous. So make sure you know that. Make sure you always have a stop and a plan. You want to plan a trade and trade that plan. And if you don't know how to do that, you should not be trading. You cannot trade seat of the pants, shooting from the hip. That does not work. That's called gambling. If you trade that way, please do everyone a favor, write a check to Children's Charity and put it to use. Because if you're just gambling in these markets with the big money that flies around, you could be saving children instead. If you want to learn how to trade, where you come up with the plan, you execute that plan, the stop goes in first, and you act like a professional, then you're with the right person, because that's what I do. All right, traders, so there's an Oscarism in the world, in the OMNI universe, called holiday reversals. And any of you that know me know I invented this many years ago, and it's a real thing. Now, not every market will experience a holiday reversal, and many times you won't get holiday reversals on a holiday where it's just a U.S. holiday. Now, holiday reversals only take place if you have a whole week leading into the holiday and then a 3-day weekend. And usually it's got to be one of the big worldwide holidays. But 4th of July in this country tends to be a pretty damn big holiday. So I'm expecting we will get some reversals in some markets. With that in mind, they seem to be materializing as I speak to you right now in the Russell 2000. We are going to take a short trade in the Russell 2000 for Tuesday night into Wednesday. Then we've got silver and gold bear flagging. I told you the hunt for gold was on, and it is going to drop. I showed it to you in video after video, and I'm still hunting gold on the downside. So we'll be looking for silver and gold to drop tomorrow. Bitcoin is in a very interesting juncture. I want you to look at that. It's in a very good spot where it's either do or die. If it does, hooray. If it dies, back down we go. You'll see that in a moment. Apple made that blast-off run, right? It's been doing really, really well. And I think Apple's a great buy, but hold on just a moment. I don't think it's a buy this evening, Tuesday for Wednesday, because you've got to give it another day to confirm the technical formation taking place in Apple. And I promise to show that to you. And then the most exciting thing on the board, I'm going to clap for it. We are accepting OmniCamp applications now. I will not call any of you back till I get my stack. Then I'll call all of you at once. Only 6 people are ever invited to an OmniCamp, and all last year we only had 3 at a time because of COVID, 50% rule. This camp will be the first one, full contingency. I'm so excited. There'll be all 6 students in the class. Send in your applications now. It is September 16th through the 20th, and I promise to teach you the Omni, and you'll be able to trade in a way you never dreamed of in the past. Call me, 702-629-4755. Go to omnibootcamp.com, fill out an application there, or simply go to livewithoscar.com. Every page has an OmniCamp banner. Click that banner and fill out your application there. Send them in quickly. I will check through all of them and call you to qualify you one at a time. Now, not everybody makes the grade, I'll tell you that right now. Just depends on your application, so send it in, and I accept novices. Please don't think if you don't know about this business, you can't come out here. I can absolutely help a novice just like a seasoned pro. Make sure you send in those OmniCamp applications. And one last thing before we look at charts. Thank you for tuning in to my 2 p.m. every day, or just about every day, physically, that I can make it. 2 p.m. recaps take place every day where I go on YouTube live and I answer questions and pull up charts live. Then we did another session this evening at 7 p.m. Thank you for showing up for that. Everybody showed up there too. We found some great stocks to look at. And this video coming at you tonight. So we did 3 videos in the last 24 hours. We're putting out that content, baby. And that happens almost every day anyway. So make sure that you subscribe to these videos. Come to livewithoscar.com because it's absolutely free. And with no further ado, let's go look at the charts. Okay, traders, Russell 2000 holiday reversals seem to be materializing on the Russell chart, right? So, you see this big channel? Well, you don't always have to get exactly to the channel before the down move starts. But sometimes you get right to the channel, then the down move starts. To the channel, the down move starts. Or at least it went back, the down move started. We just about got to the channel. This is a holiday week. We expect reversals, and the first 2 days this week are down. I think one more. Maybe we get down to this average right here. So we're looking to sell the rallies in the Russell 2000 for trading on Wednesday. Gold, the daily bar. There's the flag. This is what it looked like yesterday, and this is what it looks like today, baby. How about that, huh? I told you the hunt remains on. That is a bear flag. We will just continue to keep trying to sell gold until we capture the down move from the bear flag. So gold remains a seller of rallies on Wednesday. And silver looks to have the same fate, if you ask me. Silver bugs, don't be buying here. You've got a bear flag. You're breaking underneath the average. This is a drop out of the bear flag that's been forming just like gold. That was Tuesday's bar. Wednesday's bar is expected to be lower. Silver and gold look very much the same. Downside pressure, especially with the dollar index moving higher. And the dollar index is in a bull flag formation, which is the opposite of silver and gold. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Check it out. We are at a really interesting spot. It's exciting. Why? Because this average, you know, if you hold it, it is a monster. The big rallies come in if you can hold the average. But if you get under it, big trouble comes your way, right? Well, we got under the average, put in this flag, got back to the average, tried for 4 days, failed down to here. Now we've got the triple bottom in. Since the triple bottom, it's been building its way back up, and we are right at the average as I speak. If we can get above it, yay! If we fail again, down we go to test the triple bottom. So that's what we're looking at. I say give it a day, leave it alone, let it tell us what to do. I'm a buyer of big dips in Bitcoin no matter what price it goes down to. But for day trading, you leave this alone, and let's find out what it wants to do on Wednesday. And then you've got Apple, and I think we've got the same situation. Leave it alone for 1 day and let it confirm, and here's why. Apple has done fantastically well. This is a major, major resistance line. Major resistance line. You got above it, right? Boom, boom. We get above the major resistance line right here. Great so far. It's going crazy. In fact, it looks so good we got to switch to a green marker. It's going up, 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 yay! But then things go a little awry on us. Why? Because we've got a top right here. We've got another top that matches it, and this would be a triple top as of Tuesday's close. That means you sit tight and let it tell us what comes next. Any textbook you read will tell you to sell this triple top. I say give it a breather and let it tell us what to do. So that's the fate right now in Apple. Even though it looks fantastic on this run, you've got to be careful what happens at that triple top because maybe holiday reversal starts, right? It would make sense there. Traders, remember to join me at livewithoscar.com and say this to yourselves over and over again. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you, traders. I'll see you all at my site.